Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Travelage here, back with another travel hack video that's gonna blow your mind. We're talking airport lounges. Those magical oases of peace and quiet in the middle of the hectic travel storm. Free drinks, comfy chairs, charging stations as far as the eye can see. Who wouldn't want a piece of that action? Today, I'm putting on my secret agent hat and showing you 3 foolproof ways to sneak into these lounges without spending a dime. You down? Let's do this. Alright guys, hack number 1 is all about using those credit cards for more than just racking up airline miles. We're talking about unlocking the hidden world of airport lounge access, baby. We're going for the gold here, something like the American Express Platinum. This bad boy gets you into over 1,200 lounges worldwide. Centurion lounges? Consider it done. Priority Pass network? You got it. Flash that Amex Platinum at the lounge entrance, and boom, you're in a world of peace and luxury. Comfy chairs, unlimited snacks, drinks, and high-speed Wi-Fi. It's like escaping the Matrix. Alright, hack number 2 is all about being a savvy traveler and squeezing every last drop of value out of your airline ticket. We're talking about scoring free lounge access just by knowing where to look and what to book. It's all about choosing the right airlines and fare classes. Airlines sweeten the deal for business and first-class passengers with perks like, you guessed it, free lounge access. We're talking about the big leagues here: Emirates, Qatar, Singapore Airlines. Book yourself a business class ticket on one of these airlines, and you're not just paying for a bigger seat, you're buying into an experience. Imagine this: you're at Dubai International Airport, about to embark on a 14-hour flight. You could be stuck in the crowded terminal, fighting for a power outlet. Or you could be chilling in the Emirates first-class lounge, sipping on champagne, enjoying a gourmet meal, and freshening up with a hot shower before your flight. Even if you're not flying business class, some airlines offer lounge access as a perk for their frequent flyer program members. Sign up for their loyalty program and start racking up those miles. You might be surprised at the perks you unlock, including free lounge access. Chapter 3: Lounge apps and websites, your secret weapon for discounted access. Let's dive into the world of technology for scoring deals on airport lounge access. One of my favorites is Lounge Buddy. It connects you to over 600 airport lounges worldwide. You can book and pay for lounge access on the spot, often at a discounted rate. Reviews, photos, and amenity lists help you know what you're getting into. Lounge Buddy often runs promo codes and discounts. Other apps like Priority Pass and Lounge Key offer similar services. Do your research, compare prices, and find the best fit for your travel style and budget. So there you have it, my 3 go-to hacks for sneaking into airport lounges like a boss. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be a miserable experience. With a little bit of planning and some insider knowledge, you can turn those dreaded layovers into mini vacations. Now I want to hear from you guys. What are your favorite airport lounge hacks? Drop them in the comments below. Let's share the travel love. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. We're constantly dropping new travel tips, hacks, and stories to help you see the world on your own terms. And if you want to up your airport game even further, make sure you check out my video on the top 5 airport amenities you need to know about. Trust me, it's a game changer. Until next time, safe travels.